Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Cloudflare for SEO performance and security, complete guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Cloudflare website and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Add a Site button. Enter your website's URL and click Add Site to proceed. Next, select a Cloudflare plan that suits your needs. For many users, the free plan is a great starting point. After choosing a plan, Cloudflare will scan your domain's current DNS records. Review the DNS records displayed to ensure they match your existing settings. Make any necessary adjustments, then click Continue. Next, Cloudflare will provide you with name servers. Log into your domain registrar's website to update your name servers. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes and wait for DNS propagation, which may take a few hours. Once DNS propagation is complete, return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Here, you will notice that your site status should now show as active. To enhance your site's security, navigate to the SSL/TL. Select the appropriate SSL mode, such as full or flexible, depending on your current setup. Enable Always Use HTTPS to ensure secure connections. Next, go to the Firewall section and configure your security settings. Employ rules to block unwanted visitors or suspicious activity. Now, head to the Speed section to enable performance optimizations. Activate features such as Auto Minify for CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Consider enabling Rocket Loader to improve loading times for JavaScript resources. Next, visit the caching settings. Ensure caching level is set to standard for optimal performance. Enable browser cache expiration to dictate how long browsers store cached files. Now, navigate to the network section. Enable HTTP/2 for faster loading times on supported browsers. Consider activating WebSockets if your site needs real-time data. Check for improvements in load times and security incidents regularly. Lastly, keep your DNS records updated within Cloudflare whenever you make changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.